thing is, in this what happen is like for one time or two times anybody can give an offer, but we are running with a good scheme that is called no wastage no making scheme. That scheme where the people can put small savings, or they can invest in from minimum is 1,000 rupees and max is 1 lakh 2 lakh, depends upon their investments. In that way they can, for 15 months they can, if the gold rate goes down or less, they have nothing to worry about it. There is a very good scheme running in GRTs all over in all over in South, in all our branches. They can enroll it and they can get the benefit out of that. Instead of getting a trouble in the end, it's better to save some money and get a benefit at the end of the tenure. GRT is famous for a good collections and upcoming new ornaments introduced by us. For Akshaya Tritiya, definitely we are looking forward for a very good response. Every year there is an increase in our sales, and this time also we expect that like our customers will definitely, they are going to support us to make more better sale in this Akshaya Tritiya. We have come up with actually necklace, very lightweight, and keeping that in mind that the gold rates have gone up, so we want them to take the advantage of in lightweight jewelry section what we have introduced specially for Akshaya Tritiya. And of course we do have all kind of collection in all kind of ranges in our lightweight as well as in the medium weights and heavy weights. Of course it's always available. We are running with 3 schemes actually. One is in Gold Tree, which is a very old and is evergreen scheme, and we do have a latest one. It's called Golden Seeds. The Golden Seeds is all about the investment your money, and it will be turned in gold weight, and that weight, accumulated weight, will be you can purchase whatever the ornament you want without wastage, without making anything, and can enjoy the benefit of no wastage and no makings and that all. And of course you are always benefited with the gold rates also. I always say save as much as you can, invest as much as you can. This is the gold where you will be, it's never getting any kind of trouble, and trust to the people, those who are giving a proper priority. I say BIS is the mark what you have to see in your gold, and believe in what you can see, not by the words said by any of the people. Believe what you see on the jewelry mark, because end of the day that mark will going to give you the 100% guarantee of your jewelry. Trust the people, those who are giving the proper jewelry, and just check it out once again, 1 or 2 peoples where you can believe in them and get whatever, invest in such a place where you have a trust, and trust will going to build up a good relationship as well as a good investment also.